So my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love my parents, but when I was a child, there were a few dishes I couldn't stand, and I wasn't allowed to leave the table until I ate it all. Does it bring painful memories to you as well? Now, there's a dish, actually healthy, that's never been well liked. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make the best beef liver with onions. Oh boy, I know what most of you will say, but I have to stop you right now because when it's prepared properly, it's quite tasty. Plus, there's a pile of caramelized onions on top, and you can always add ketchup too. So my friends, let's get cooking. We'll start by caramelizing the onions, which will take some time. So in a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. When it's hot and starts shimmering, we'll add our sliced onions. We'll sprinkle on with ground sea salt and stir them, making sure they're well coated in butter and oil. We'll saute them for 2 minutes before adding a large pressed garlic. I normally add garlic close to the end of cooking, but with all the fat in the skillet, it won't burn. We'll season with freshly ground black pepper and give a very good stir to blend the ingredients. Oh yeah, they're starting to get soft. Perfect. We'll cover and set our timer for 10 minutes. But we're not forgetting about them because every 2 minutes, we'll give a good stir. It's pretty much the same method as when I caramelize my onions for my French onion soup gratiné. Then we'll cover again and let it go for another 2 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll uncover, stir again, and set the time for 20 minutes, stirring often and cooking with the lid off to allow the liquid to evaporate. Now, when time is up and the onions are nice and soft, I like to crank the heat to high and saute them until I have a nice light brown color on them. If you prefer darker, saute them longer. When we're happy with the color, we'll transfer the onions to a bowl while we look after the liver. Here are a few slices of liver, and when you buy them packaged at the grocery store, they normally come already sliced, skinned, and deveined. So to make it easier to handle, we'll cut them into 3 to 4 inch pieces. Next, in a shallow dish, we'll add flour, hot paprika, some garlic powder, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll mix the ingredients until nicely combined. Then, working with one piece at a time, we'll coat the liver with the flour mixture, shake off any excess flour, and place it on a plate while working with the others. Back to our same skillet. We'll add the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil and set the heat on medium. It won't take much time to get hot, and then we'll add our seasoned liver pieces. If your skillet is pretty large, 1 pound should easily fit in it. Otherwise, work in batches. We'll cook until nice and brown, which should take about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side at the most, depending on the thickness. It's pretty quick. When they're done, we'll top the pieces with caramelized onions and serve them with mashed potatoes. Don't forget the ketchup! And my friends, this is our best beef liver with onions. If you've never been a fan of liver, you might change your mind after trying this recipe. It's not only tasty, but healthy as well. With some nice seasoning and caramelized onions, this is a great protein to add to your diet. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!